Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial video on how to tune a lute harp that is 22 strings. This is a Thomann lute harp from Germany, and I have here my tuner, that tuning peg that came with a lute harp when I bought it. So I will be using this app from the app store, from my iPad. It's just a generic tuner, and I'm also gonna have my daughter check the sound through the piano just to make sure that it's tuned correctly. So I'm gonna start from C4. That's the middle C in the piano, and try the middle C shallow. So I've already tuned the first three strings. C, try C, and then D, and then E. So we got the three strings correctly done. So this is going to be C4, C5, C6, and C7 on the piano. And I'm going to be tuning the rest and show you guys how I do it. Just a precaution, I've actually tried to tune this lute harp probably 2 or 3 times, but it wouldn't hold the tune. I've read about it, and it says it's normal for a new lute harp or like a lyre to not hold their tune, just because the nylon string needs to stretch and the wood is getting used to being tuned, and the tuning peg is getting used to being tuned. But after that, it should hold the tune. So I hope this one holds a little bit longer. So here's the back of the tuning pegs that you're gonna put this tuner in, and you're gonna just twist it up and down, like clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, shall I do letter F? So we're gonna do the F, which is the fourth peg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it one more time. What is this now? So I'm gonna turn this in. Let's try to turn it. Try it one more time, F. So this is E4, and actually we're actually tuning the fourth string to the E4 as well. So we just have to turn it clockwise, just a tiny little bit, to get to the F4. So I'm turning it a tiny little bit. E4, a little bit more. There you go, I'm in F4, one more. Getting close to the 0 in the middle. There you go. So, one more. See, I'm really close now. As you can see, it's green in the F4. So now we got C, D, E, F, and G shallow in the piano. G. So this is 3, G3. So we need to go to G4. So that's the fifth peg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna go up. So just twist clockwise. As you can see, clockwise. I need to go to fourth. The C, D, E, F, G. Looking for G, F. We're getting there. Just be careful that it doesn't snap on you. F sharp. It should be there. We're getting close. There you go, G4. Closing into the middle. There you go. There, really close. One more. A little bit past. One more. Tiny bit. There you go. So now we got 5 strings down. 1. See, it's all good.